All right, this is our topic 8.7, additional practice problem number 11. It says, which of the following may describe a cross-section formed by a horizontal plane above the base that intersects the faces of the pyramid shown? So formed by a horizontal plane. Horizontal is going to be this way. Vertical is up and down. Horizontal is like the horizon. So from left to right. So we're looking at a horizontal plane that is going to cross and intersect this pyramid. So if I intersect this pyramid, I'm going to create some sort of shape that kind of goes along that line, like that. So that shape is going to be the same shape as this base right here. So that shape ends up being a rectangle. Looks like that, okay? So some of the possible, let's see, formed by a horizontal plane above the base that intersects the faces of the pyramid shown. So it's going to intersect all of those faces. Now, if we're thinking about it getting higher than the base, then that means that area is going to be smaller than the area of the base. Now, the base's area, if I make this the base, is the measurements of the base or dimensions of the base are 20 feet by 8 feet. So area is equal to length times width, which means we have area is equal to 20 times 8. And 20 times 8 is going to be equal to 160. Okay, so we know that the area of this base is 160 feet squared. So really, we're just looking for anything that is less than that. Which of the following may describe a cross-section? So 160 feet squared is going to be what the area is of the base. So it can't be this one. It can't be anything bigger than that, because as we cut into this pyramid, that rectangle is going to get smaller and smaller and smaller. So the only area that actually makes sense for this would be 90 square feet. For example, we could have a length that's 10 and a height that's 9, something like that, in order to make 90 square feet. But it's the only one that makes sense, and that's smaller than 160.